Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com. Making this a small video about the pound index and pound Aussie, showing that knowing the movement in index and also a little bit of Elliott wave and harmonic pattern, it helps a lot in finding the direction of any instrument that you want to trade. So let's get it started. This is pound index. Lately, you all know that pound is has spotlight because of the Brexit and all that. So this year, back in February, this is the chart that I made based on Elliott wave study, and I've been tracking this from here. Okay, it went up. I have all the charts, but I want to make a small video, so I'm not going to show. But going up there, wave 3 ended, and then I predicted that wave 4 is going to come down. Same thing happened exactly, and then I predicted that it's going to go up wave 5. And now you can see that the correction that I was predicting here, that it's going to come down in A, B, C fashion. And it did this A here, B here. Let me show you quickly, if I can, that how this thing works. So you will know exactly what I'm talking about. It's not just a fluke. It is based on a Elliott wave study. So see, this is how it works. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you end up, finishing wave 5 wave, that is like an impulse wave. Then you go back down again in A, B, C, 3 wave fashion, correcting the move. Usually it's around 78%, or if the move is powerful, then you go down all the way. So this is the pattern. And if you pay attention here, this is what happened exactly what I was showing after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, right? Then A supposedly coming down to this band here, this congestion area, then go back for B, and then come down for C, right around here, 78% or lower. Okay, so what happened to this chart is, as of now, look at what happened. Okay, so we came down A, exactly the same area, then we went up for B. B is kind of short because remember that Brexit talk starts and everything, so pound was getting the heat and was weakening because of the Brexit, and it went up there and to this high, this low here, and then start dropping from there. But it came all the way down, even below what I was expecting or predicting, 78.6%, wave 2. But it's not wave 2 anymore, it's something else. But it's AB is equal to CD right now, 100%. Came all the way down after several months. So this story ends here. But what happened, and what is the effect when pound, if I can or you can predict something like this, a drop or a big move in a one direction, then based on that, let's say this is pound weakness, so all the pairs that involve pound will be affected. Okay, wherever the pound is on the left hand side, all those pairs will go down. Only one pair, the pound, is on the right hand side, euro pound, that will go up. Okay, and that's what exactly happened. So based on that, I'm just gonna show one pair. It is one of my favorite pair, pound Aussie, because it moves a lot. So let's take a look what I did based on this chart. This is in it was this, the before chart was in, see, this is February, and then in March I came up with this chart in pound Aussie. See, 24th March. Pound Aussie was going up, but then I knew that the pound is gonna get weaker, and this thing is gonna flip. Even though everybody was saying that this is a very powerful move to the upside and you crazy, it's not gonna happen. But look what happened. Let me show you this chart. Same chart as of today is this, and you can look into your broker as well. This is what happened. This is a pound Aussie weekly chart. Just go take a look in your broker. Okay, I'm not making this thing up. This is exactly what happened. So exactly the place that I was showing, it made the turn and all the way down. You know how many pip? Already around 34 pip. You can see here the price was touching here 2.04, and right now we are at 1.70. So that's 30 and 4. 3,400, 3,400 point drop in a straight line. We just doing a little wobbling here, but yeah, we are powerfully coming down. And not only this is I showed you both study. This is the study of Elliott wave. It's very useful. You saw it. Then this is the study of harmonic patterns X, A, B, C, D. This is 127%. If we get there, it will be a butterfly finish pattern. But it's my specialty that I always catch up moves from point C. And why not? You can see how many points you're talking about here. The drop so far 3,400, and then we still have to go. If let's say this is 58 that we have to go for, we are at 70, so you're talking about 1,200 points more to the downside. So from trading from C to D is always lucrative, very, very lucrative, okay, in these harmonic patterns. So this is, and by the way, once you establish that, okay, this is the direction that this pair is going to go, we use our magic IB system. This is strategy to make precise, perfect entries. Let me show you how that one works. For example, this one, I'm showing you just few trades. See, this is a setup and this is a trade. This is I'm showing here that from there this is a setup ready. The indicator is all the way down, turning to the downside, price into the wave between yellow and black line. I open the trade, and same thing happened here. You can see, okay, same thing happened here. The price went up a little bit, but the trend is down on this 40-minute chart because these lines, white, black, and yellow lines, are aligned to the downside. Okay, as long as they are to the downside, we take only short. When this indicator is all the way up, turning to the downside, the candle changes the color. Blue candle turns into red, and here we go. So what happened to this trade was, you can see here, and target hit for 261 pip. Then it bounced back up again, doing the same thing again, and then start coming down again. So all of these were entries. All day long you can sit and do it. Not all day long, because 40-minute chart gives you sometimes one, maybe two, top three entries in a day, not more than that. Most of the time it's like one or two good entries you can take and go all the way, or hold on for the rest of the day. So this is how this magic wave strategy works with my analysis. And what I do is that and by the way, you see this here at the corner is an alarm. When this setup is ready, you will hear the beep. This alarm start beeping. Okay, so you don't have to sit down in front of the computer all day long. You just do whatever you want, and then have everything set up, and then all of a sudden when you hear the beep, you know that the setup is there. You can put this alarm in 4 or 5 different pairs where you have the analysis, and draw these horizontal lines, and then just sit down and watch this number here. See, monthly low 7206 is a big number. We broke below it, we went up, and we made a very nice entry here, and then all the way down. We broke below this number, we went up, and then start drop. So rinse repeat kind of thing. So yeah, this alarm, when you subscribe, you get this alarm as well. You get the whole line yard, everything. Okay, you will be able to set up these charts on your computer, along with my templates, my weekly charts and monthly charts. I provide you the templates for that. And the most important thing is that I do live webinars where I teach all of these, how to do the analysis, the higher time frame analysis like this, and harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, SNR level, trend lines, how to do those, and all those previous webinar recordings are also uploaded on my website for newcomers to watch and learn. And in the meantime, you can ask me questions in the email anytime, all the time, and keep learning. Once you learn this whole game, it will be under your feet. Okay, and it's in front of you. I can show you, so many different pairs. Same story everywhere. If you have the analysis, and then you go with this strategy, and that's it. Keep making the entries in that direction. Simple as that. So if you like what you see here, just go on my website, and you can. Is it my website? No. Where is my website? Here you can go on my website, myforexmagicwave.com, and on the right hand side you will see this button, subscribe. If subscribe is nothing, $50 a month is nothing. You will make a lot more than that. Imagine 3,400 pips drop in just one pair. I have a lot of pairs. For example, yesterday, Thursday or Friday was coming down, and then this is an up move, and 85 pip, just a small up move to the upside on a 40-minute chart. Then again, it goes down. So this strategy is very good, and as long as you know that where the bigger direction is, you just take entries in that direction, and you'll just do fine. So, like I said, if you like, you go on my website, subscribe, and be a part of it. Start learning and trading profitably. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.